Welcome Spartans to a brand new school year. I'm Dave Grissom, principal at Mountain View High School.
And I'm William Blair, one of the assistant principals. Being a Spartan means that you all are entitled to certain rights while you're here on campus. And we're here to share with you those rights. Many of you young scholars are probably familiar with the social contract theory of government. Under the social contract theory, a community agrees that there are certain behaviors that would negatively impact the culture of the group. And therefore, as a community, we limit those negative behaviors. For example, we would all agree that we should have the freedom to walk down the hall without being punched in the stomach. To guide our code of conduct and which rights we need to limit, we use part of our MVHS vision statement. We value the intellectual, emotional, and physical well-being of our community. In other words, you have the right to physical, emotional, intellectual safety while on campus. What does this look like? Physically, you have the right not to be harmed, not to have your property taken or destroyed, not to be around illegal substances, and not to be threatened. Emotionally, you have the right not to be harassed or bullied, or to be made uncomfortable by the language, appearance, or the actions of others. And intellectually, you have the right to a fair education without distractions, where everyone is accountable to the same standards and expectations.
Of course, if someone violates your rights to a physical, emotional, or intellectually safe environment, we reserve the right to administer consequences, which could include suspension or expulsion. In just a few minutes, you'll have the opportunity to read through the MVHS Code of Conduct and to electronically acknowledge that you have read the material. Rather than go through every detail of the code, we will allow you to ask questions about the elements of the policy, and administration will respond to your questions and clarify specific elements of the policy through broadcasting over the next few weeks. We will cover more specifics about the dress code, academic integrity, and our attendance policy, among other topics as we progress through the year. If you have any questions, feel free to come and see administration. Before we go, we just want to reiterate how important it is that we create the culture that we want to have at MVHS. We collectively choose to create a shared vision of inclusion, kindness, and community, and we truly want to protect your intellectual, emotional, and physical safety. Have a great year.